Raging bulls in gold yet again, and no signs of retracement or reversal is seen. Gold has hit another fresh records at 2906.5 levels, while silver is also traded bullish and moved towards 32 30-40 zone. What to expect now with the US session from gold and silver? How far this rally is going to be? Can we expect gold to break past 29-20, 29-40 zone today itself, or there is a possibility of reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit today? We're going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis and logical levels. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start first to look into gold, followed with silver. Watch till the straight bullishness here in gold, rise, consolidation, rise, retracement, then retracement, and now this is a breakout which it is continuing here on the upside, and it has now formed a very good support, very good base here at around 25.98, 28.98 levels. And yes, once it breaks below 28.98, that is the only point below which you can expect slight bearishness and slight signs of retracement, below which possibility of a move towards 28.90 and 28.80 level should be there. Remember, only bearishness today, only reversal confirmation today is in gold is if you see it is staying below 28.78, 28.80 zone. As long as it stays above 28.78, 80 zone, we should be careful with the sells here. Stochastic definitely coming to an extremely overbought zone. MACD is also trading with extreme divergence and bullishness here, not showing any signs of reversal. RSI is also extremely overbought. So yes, on the hourly charts, things are getting overbought here for gold, and I think sustaining here the level should be difficult. Let's see how far it can stretch the rise. On the 2 hour chart, similar observation. See, notice that the bullishness is getting diminished with the every candle, and now it is also at the extremes of the bulling up. And thus, yet again, I'll recommend you to exercise caution here on the upside, specifically now when it has hit a highs. At the same time, on the downside, there is no signs of weakness, there is no sign of reversal here. Only thing is, if you see it is staying below 28.98, you can take a selling entry, expect 28.92, 93, and then below that 28.84, and then 28.80, 78.80 should come into picture as a greater support zone. See, after taking the support here, it is continuing with the rise here, and it is trading in this bullish channel here. The lows of this channel are now towards 28.80, 28.78. Stochastic here is overbought. The MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, looking upwards. Lot much of room available here on the upside, still on MACD. RSI coming to an overbought zone. Coming to 3 hour, here on the 3 hour charts as well, similar observation. See, it is outside Bollinger Bands. The bullishness getting diminished. I will definitely watch out how it delivers now. If it breaks out beyond 29.10 levels, 29.12 levels, stay bullish for 29.18, 20, and beyond that, possibly this can stretch the rise further. So I will definitely watch out now how it behaves at around 29.10, 29.12 zone. That will be a good point for us to consider that the gold is ready for another round of rise. Though if you look at the formation, every rise is offset with a retracement here, and it appears that it is heading towards the top of the channel. The top of the channel is now far beyond towards 29.40 levels. Let's watch out which direction it takes now. Stochastic definitely coming to an overbought zone, but the MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence, looking upwards, staying bullish. RSI is back to overbought levels here. On the 4 hour, the observation here is similar, taking the support from the 20 period, trying to bounce back, trying to rise, possibly appears to be heading towards the highs of this channel. Let's watch out if it breaks out beyond 29.10 to 29.10, 29.12 zone, possibly more rise can be seen here. Stochastic back to overbought levels, MACD just crossing over, trading with little divergence and bullishness, and the RSI is rising as well. Coming to the day, again looking at the daily chart, see, yes, every rise is offset with a retracement, and this is a stretched rise here without any retracement, without any signs of reversal. And yes, it is almost at the top of the bands here. Also look at the formation here. See, after a couple of consolidation, it is delivering a breakout. So this could be the beginning of another bull run here, but I am cautious of this run, specifically as it is also trading at the extremes here on. Also it is trading with the divergence of the price from the 20 period. So this is making me a bit cautious. Tomorrow Powell, and day after tomorrow the inflation data might do some little retracement, might bring a little retracement in the gold prices, but today at least it appears that it is not willing to give up. Looking at the movement, it appears that the bears are not very much interested here, and the prices are achieving highs. However, I am still getting cautious here with the every rise. Stochastic definitely entering into overbought zone. The MACD trading with divergence, MACD is staying bullish, the RSI is staying extremely overbought. So considering, before I provide you the levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. If you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram. and join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And those who are looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, considering this, I will only recommend you to buy now. If you see it is staying above 29.10, 29.12 zone, you can buy here, but this is going to be a bit riskier. As long as 29.10, 29.12 is good entry, but then nearest resistance it is going to get is at 29.18, 29.20 zone. The first target zone 29.24. The next, see, this is pretty close, but these are going to remain good resistances. Beyond this, chances will be high that 29.36, 29.44 should be seen as the next targets, and beyond that we can look forward to 29.55 levels. On the downside now, I'll recommend a selling entry at 28.97 levels, below which you can expect 28.92, 28.84, then 28.78. If 28.78 is taken any point of time, chances will be high that we may see a good drop here, which can in fact take it below 28.60. Now remember, only bearishness today in gold and only reversal consideration in gold today is below 28.58.60 zone. That is the level below which it is going to be treated as bearish, and then you can expect a greater correction. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. It shows you one picture and then takes a dump here. So let's watch out which direction it takes. Right now the stand is pretty bullish here. Be mindful that right now the stand is pretty bullish here, and hence the shorts, if you are carrying, you have to be extra cautious here. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver on the hourly charts. If you look at, see, first of all, it was trading here in sideways. Now it is delivering lower highs, so possibly lower lows are also possible, which means it can start retracing now. However, it is not showing any signs of reversal. Only thing is, if you see it is staying now below 32, you can take a selling entry, but then 31.80 should be the first support and 31.60 should be the next support. We can treat this as lower highs, lower lows, and beginning of a retracement, beginning of a bearish channel here. So on the upside, definitely 32.50, 60 is the zone. If it breaks, there is no point staying short in silver. Stochastic is overbought, trying to cool down. MACD is still trading with divergence, is still bullish, looking upwards. RSI is trying to trade with slight bearishness here. Coming to 2-hour chart. On the 2-hour charts, similar observation here. See, it has posted a very strong recovery. Now I am just watchful of the lower highs here, and yes, if it breaks beyond 32.50, 32.60 zone, there is no point staying short in silver, and you can go with the buys beyond 32.50 levels, where we can possibly expect it to move towards 32.75, 85, and then 33.10 zone. Possibility exists, but right now I am just observant of this. It is yet to break beyond 32.50, 60 zone. Stochastic definitely staying overbought. MACD just crossing over, trading with little bullishness here. Good sign here for the bulls, as the MACD has retraced and now it is crossing over here. It can continue with the rise here. The RSI staying flat. Coming to 3-hour chart. On the 3-hour charts, remember, after a drop, reversal sign, then a rise here. Now if it drops below 32 levels, you can say another round of drop can be seen, which can take the prices towards the bottom here, towards 31.60 and 31.40 zone. So I'll still say the silver has not yet taken a direction here. I will only consider this as bullish if it breaks beyond 32.50, 60 zone. Stochastic overbought. MACD trying to converge, not yet crossing over here. It is still staying bullish, bearish. RSI flat. Coming to the 4-hour. On the 4-hour charts also, similar observation here. See, it is delivering higher lows, higher highs. Let it stay below 32, and that is the only confirmation you can say to go short, else it is still not to be treated as bearish, and below that possibly we may see it delivering lower lows towards 31.80, 31.60 zone. Right now it is looking upwards. Right now it is trying to trade bullish, but on the upside the resistance is up pretty strong here till 32.50, 60. Moving averages are trading with divergence, staying bullish. Stochastic rising. The MACD is right now bearish. It is not yet crossed over. Wait for a crossover and a confirmation of rise. RSI flat. Coming to the daily. Now see, on the daily charts what's happening. It is trying to create a symmetrical candle, and yes, this is the stepping stone which needs to be taken, which is at around 31.80, only below which you can say now gold silver prices are reversing, else it can deliver a symmetry here. And I will watch out today where it closes. If it stays above 32.50, 60, anyways, it's a confirmation of a stronger rally ahead. See what has happened here. Rise, retracement, and now breaking out. So possibly it can hit the highs, which is right now at around 33.10 levels. Let's watch out. Moving average is crossing over here, is also a very good sign for the bulls though. If you look at the stochastic, this is dropped. The MACD is still bullish, looking upwards. and the RSI is rising as well. So looking at this, first of all, only buying entry I will recommend is at 3250 levels, expected to move towards 3270-80 zone, and then beyond that 3310 should be there very very soon. If it breaks beyond 3310, I think silver is ready for a round of rally ahead. Be mindful of this. On the downside, see, I still do not confirm that it is turning bullish as long as 3250-60 is not taken. On the downside, now a selling entry I will recommend is at 3210 itself. Expect 3195, 3180. Now, only bearishness today in silver is if it trades below 3180, where we are looking forward to a greater price correction, where we are looking forward to a move which is going to take it towards 3140.50 or in fact lower levels. Let's watch out. The day the US session is still there to go. Only we have seen the Asia and Europe session bulls. I hope the US session does not unleash any bears out there. So let's watch out. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my Signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Do not miss to watch every day the first update with the Asia and Europe session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.